Welcome and thanks for joining us on Real Investment News for your mid-afternoon market report. I'm your host, Scarlett Fakar. When it comes to your money, how do you know when to sell or when to hold? Or is it just riding out the market the best strategy? In his latest blog post, Lance Roberts challenges those who say it's impossible to time the market, so you should just set it and forget it. One of the main reasons, it takes a long time for the market to recover from bear markets. Take a look at this chart. It tracks the S&P 500 from 1900 to present. So when you take a look at it, when the market drops, you see it can take 26 years, 29 years, and most recently 16 years to rise back up to where it was. And if you plan to retire during one of these dips, that can hurt. But what can you do? Lance suggests that even a simple money management strategy can be very effective. For example, this chart tracks the S&P, the orange line, and the 12-month moving average, this dotted line that you see here. When the markets dip below the average, until the markets go back above it, you get these purple columns. These are the times when you need to make a move to cash, but not all of it. Our investment rules: let the winners run. Just trim back some of those winning positions. Number 2, cut losers short. Sell those that are simply not working. And buy low when the next buying opportunity occurs. So, does it work? Look at this hypothetical. In 1988, Bob has $100,000 and plans to add $625 to his account every month. His goal is to retire in 30 years with enough money to pay himself $75,000 a year. In the end, he will need about $5.3 million. Now, if he decides to ride out the highs and lows, the orange line you see here, he will end up with just $1.7 million. If he manages his risk using the simple 12-month moving average strategy, this blue line you see, he will end up with $5.7 million. Okay, yeah, there is a lot of information here, folks. So if you want to take a look at a more detailed look at some of these charts and learn more about Lance's risk management strategies, check out his blog at realinvestmentadvice.com. That's it on Real Investment News. Be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. I'm Scarlett Fakar. We'll see you back here shortly.